All right, and today we're going to talk about how to remove a program from your computer. So let's say there's a program or an antivirus or something that keeps popping up and nagging you, like Sim Cleaner or some junk that got installed in your computer or McAfee, and it's expired or it's bothering you, and you want to get rid of it. So the procedure to get rid of that program is called an uninstallation. So let's get to it. So we're going to go down here. Now this is Windows 10, and you can tell it's Windows 10 by this little logo on the bottom. It's Windows 10 logo. So we're going to go here, type to search. Now we're going to type in CON, and that's going to bring up control panel, and that's what we want. We want a control panel. The computer's smart enough to know that if we type in CON, it will pop up things that start with CON, like control panel. So we're going to click on control panel. All right, and the first thing down here is uninstall a program. So we're going to click on that under programs, and it's going to list all the programs in here that you have. Now all these programs can pretty much safely be removed as long as you don't need them. So how do you know if you need them? Well, if you have things like Microsoft Office installed, you may not want to remove that because your Excel documents won't open, your Word documents won't open. You basically want to remove programs that you know you don't want, like McAfee, like I was explaining earlier. Maybe McAfee keeps bugging you to renew, and you don't want that crappy antivirus because it's not that good anyway. So let's say, I'll have to pick something here that I know I don't want anymore. Let's take a look here. How about this thing right here? iMazing HEIC converter. I know I'm not using that. I haven't used it in a long time. So it's basically just a program to convert files. So you can right click on it and it'll bring up a menu to uninstall, or you can go up here to uninstall up here and it'll remove it. So let's do that. Let's click uninstall. It'll come up with a prompt to make sure that you actually want to do this. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And you say yes because you're asking for it to be removed. So it's going to change it by removing a program. So are you sure you want to completely remove iMazing Converter and all of its components? I sure do. And it goes through a little uninstallation process, and it says it was successfully removed from your computer. So that program is now gone. That was pretty easy. Let me see if I can find something else in here that I might want to get rid of. Let's say I want to get rid of this MAC address changer. I was trying to do some things with my MAC address, and I'm done with that program now. So I can right click on it. It's got the option to uninstall, or I'm going to go up here and choose uninstall. Again, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. Before proceeding installation, make sure that you have MAC address changer not running in the background. If it's still running, you must exit it now. I know it's not running in the background. So anyway, let's click OK. We're going to hit next. And it was successfully removed. We're going to finish. And that gets removed from the list. And that is gone. Cool. So that is basically how you uninstall. Actually, you know what? Let's remove one more. Here's a Microsoft program, and it's nice because it actually tells you the publisher of the program that you want to remove. It actually tells you when it was installed and how big it is. So let's go to Windows 10. So sometimes it gives you the uninstall or change option, and that's fine because sometimes you might want to add some features to that particular program. And you'll know when you try the change option in some of these programs. But anyway, let's go to Windows 10 Upgrade Assistant. I don't need an Upgrade Assistant. I've already got Windows 10, so I will uninstall that. I will click yes. And it says it didn't like to remove it. It may have already been uninstalled. Would you like to remove Windows 10 Assistant from the program's feature list? So this is kind of nice. So since I've probably already uninstalled the assistant, it maybe didn't remove that entry. So now it's giving me the option to remove that entry. So I'm going to say yes. It removes that entry, and we're good to go. We're cleaning up that programs list. So anyway, yeah, check it out and clean up your computer if you don't have needed programs in there. And be careful though. You know, maybe you do need some things that are in there like Microsoft Visual C++, and you just don't need it. Maybe something like that is useful for some other programs that are installed in your computer. If you're not sure what some of these programs are, like Microsoft Visual C++, you can use Google. Google is your friend, and it will let you know what those programs are. And if you have any questions, hey, you can just ask me down in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't been here before, make sure you like and subscribe the videos and click the bell if you want to get notifications of our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.